Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to figure out what the monopolist, which is a firm that can choose its own price. Here are the different prices that it can choose. And what is its profit maximizing, which is the quantity where it'll make the most profit. The way we're going to find that quickly is we're going to find if there's a quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Now, sometimes they don't equal, so it'll be the last unit where marginal revenue is greater. That means we're adding to profit. And then the price that corresponds to that. So this is a quantity, and then I want to mark up the price, the highest price I can get away with. So marginal revenue decreases as the firm decreases its price. It's selling more units, but it's making less additional revenue each time, but always positive. And then its marginal costs are decreasing and then increasing. So that's what give it that sort of check mark look that we see in a lot of graphs. So do I want to produce the first unit? Marginal revenue is greater? Yes. Do I want to produce the second unit? Yes. Do I want to produce the third unit? Yes. Do I want to produce the fourth unit? Yes. That's 40 equals 40. Do I want to produce the fifth unit? No. And that's because marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue. So 4 units is the quantity, and then the corresponding price is going to be 70. And this is essentially the problem with monopoly. They could produce more and sell more units, but they choose not to because this is where they make the most profit. So profit maximizing price in this case would be 70 because that's the price that corresponds to the profit maximizing quantity.